Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your mic volume on OBS. First of all, and of course, if you don't have an OBS on your computer, just go and download it through any browser you have on your computer. Maybe Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, Opera, whatever you are using. Just go, type download OBS, download it for maybe if you're using Windows, Linux, or Mac. Set up it and launch it, and let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go here and click at add at the scenes section, then name your scene whatever you want. Let's just name it test as an example and click OK. Here all you need to do is just go to sources and click add again. Then all you need to do is just choose whatever you want. We just go click at window and maybe choose let's just choose my browser as an example, Brave. Expand it maybe. So here, as we said, we want to record and increase our mic volume. All we want to do, just as you can see here, mic/aux, just go here to the settings option and click at filters. Then, as you can see here, you can add noise suppression. Maybe if you have a fan sound, it will not appear if you add this noise suppression, but if you want to add or increase your mic volume, you want to add this gain. How can you add it? Just go here, click, right click, go to add, and add the gain. As you see, I already have it, so let me just remove it. As you can see here, I have, if you click on this gain, you can maybe adjust the gain however you want. So if you want to increase the volume, do not set it on negative, set it just on positive. It should be like higher than this 12 to have a good volume, if you have of course a low mic volume. So maybe you can do like me, just do 20 is good for me. Then just click at close and you will be all done. Your microphone sound will be just higher than before. So this will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.